once we've got our organizational, our folders or OU set up, how we're going to separate our workloads within accounts or projects. Anyone that's spent time on the AWS websites will know that this is from them. And there's a couple of examples here within our OU, same as a folder in Google. Then we can have our workloads down to a single account. Or in this particular case, they've also given the example of having multiple workloads in an account, and everything is production here. I would recommend, where possible, to always go with a single workload in a single account. But in the case that they are smaller workloads, and from the description on this particular page, where you've got smaller workloads that are very similar to each other, you might want to put them in a single account. Again, there are benefits to doing both ways. There's less administration with less accounts, arguably. But by separating out into separate accounts or projects from the Google side, you're benefiting from a lot of the operational security stuff that's built into the cloud. That can be rate limiting, that can be permission structures. There's a whole lot of stuff going on from the Amazon and Google sides where if you separate things out into different projects, you're just not going to hit those limits. Anyone who's ever tried to put more than 100 buckets in a Google account, any storage buckets, or an AWS account for that matter, will be aware of those types of limits, and they are hard limits in some cases that can't be changed. Again, try to plan to use these as security and operational needs rather than reporting, and we're going to manage the reporting later on.